Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Gordon Murray Automotive T.33. This casting is by Hotwheels, part of their main line, and if I'm not wrong, this is the third color on this casting. They did a silver before and a green, but this yellow looks really good. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the T.33 out of its box, and as you can see, it looks really nice in this yellow color. Let's start from the front. In the front, you've got nicely detailed headlamps. You've got the Gordon Murray Automotive badge, lower grille finish in black, which looks good. You do get this big windscreen with single windshield wipers, both the mirrors, which is good to have. I also like how they used this tint on the plastic part to make it look like a blacked out roof, and goes on the E-pillar too, which I think it's a good job. Now, coming to the driver's side, unlike the other Gordon Murray car, this is left-hand drive, not the central driving position, and you can actually see the seats, gearbox, everything from here. Nice. The driver's side, wheels, we have seen on so many different Hot Wheels throughout the day, like they use this 5-spoke for forever. But I think the paint, the gray color looks good here. Can't complain much for a mainline. You do have this nice shape, which looks so good. See how it curves out. You do have this lower part finished in black. Now coming to the rear, we get detailed tail lamp, painted one, looks good. A number plate with Gordon Murray Automotive written on it, twin exhaust, a diffuser, and some vents for the engine to cool down in the rear. I think it looks really good. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, the engine is in the back, which you can see here, which looks really good. Good job, Hot Wheels. I love this casting. They've done so much nice details on it. Coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical. I didn't mention Hot Wheels badge. Hot Wheels written there. Looks nice, and you can see the cut line for the hood in the rear to open up. This is how it looks from the top. It looks really good. This is how it looks from the bottom. So they have a matching base, which is yellow. Overall, I think this casting looks really good, and yeah, if you find one, you should get one. This is a nice casting. Well, that's all from my side. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.